Hey guys, so in this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to slay in the workplace, and not just any workplace, in the medical field. Hopefully you'll stick around to see how I do it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So basically this whole video was just kind of like to show you guys how I slay my face on a regular Monday through Friday day-to-day basis, okay, when I am going to work. I know you're probably like, oh wow, either there's a lot of makeup, or you know, this just looks like a regular makeup routine. No, I do this makeup routine a little bit simpler than like the rest of my makeup. And another thing that I do, I go really heavy on the powder. That is one thing that really makes this particular tutorial stand out from the rest. I pile the powder on. Why? Because when you are working in a medical setting, you are going to have to wear one of these. I wear one of these all day, the whole like 8 to 5 that I'm at work. I definitely wear one of these in safety goggles, which is why I do not have on any lashes, nor do I have on any kind of fancy lipstick. I have on lip gloss right now, but most of the time in my hand in the scrub jacket, I just have on, I have some Carmex in here. And I just put on some Carmex, because when you have this on, it's really hard to have on any kind of lip gloss or anything, because it just sticks to this. It's going to make it come off, and it's just going to be a mess. Okay, so, and as you guys can see, I experience a little bit of transfer in my mask. That happens, but for the most part, my whole face stays pretty much beat. Okay, and a lot of people like, Erin, you know, they can't even believe that I even do a full face when I go to work. But I'm just the type of person, I can't go anywhere just looking any type of way. Like literally, this is how I'm going to work. My hair is laid, my face is beat, because I still want to look good. Like, I was always taught that when you're gonna leave the house or something, you need to look presentable. Okay, and that's just, this always stuck to me. All right, you never know who you're gonna see, who you're gonna meet. I understand there's always those people who are just like, it's just work, you doing too much, it's just work. No, you're supposed to look presentable in a workplace, especially in a medical setting. You don't just want to look like you rolled out of bed and you don't really care that you're at work, and boogers all in your eyes and crust all in your lips. Like, you don't need to look like that. Okay, so anyways, like I said, these are some pretty simple products. I will leave everything down below. You absolutely do not have to get the same products I have. You can use what you already have. Just be mindful that you are going to need some kind of powder. Translucent powder is great, okay, like setting powder, translucent powder. And another key thing is a setting spray. A setting spray is really good with helping the longevity of your makeup, and also just making everything just kind of like stick and just look good and last for a long time. So that is also a big step to this setting powder and setting spray. Okay, so anyways guys, I don't want to make this too long or anything like that. I just want to give you guys some tips for people who are probably just getting into medical, or they've been in medical but they kind of want to look, you know, look a little more up to speed. This could be for you, and especially if you don't have like perfect skin or anything and you can't just draw on brows and head on out the door. This is perfect for you. So anyways, I hope this helps somebody. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below, and I'll definitely see you on the next one.